We lived in Dorset for the first 73 years. Built in the heyday of the Industrial Revolution. I haven't seen this season. Yes.
It's rather nice though, isn't it?
Yes, it is, and I presume from scenes from yes, they're all just through there, something
Tree outside is twice the age of this church. So they can go and hang it on the Blackfield Tower.
Yeah, I'm not filming.
You never really did any of that.
It's a good turnout today, isn't it? Kieran, what are you doing? You're tying a knot, I hear. So that's the knot they have for bell ringing.
Yeah, so that's when this is all the way down on the floor, you don't have your foot in it and get pulled up to the roof.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah,
So they tie
yeah,
it up like that so that it's safe.
yeah, yeah.
So someone doesn't stand on it and pull it, and then the bell swings round and you go
Yeah,
up in the air. So
yeah. So they've got some bell ringing ropes tied to the tree here. Now this tree is actually twice the age of the church. This tree was here when the Romans were here, and it's 2 times the age of the church. Did you hear them say that, Kieran?
yeah, twice.
Yeah. Oh, well done. There you go. Are you happy with that knot?
It's the best you're gonna get. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh, thanks,
That's what you're
Kieran.
gonna get from me anyway.
Wanna go again?
Because you're pro at this. I'm a